XG1s from Dan Moto, finally here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to install them. I rarely see anything up on YouTube for this for a Z, so I figured I'd go ahead and put one up, see how it comes out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do a before and after. Move the bike outside. We got a little bit more peace and quiet. So, it's a bit quiet. Alright. And these are afterwards. They were a mission to get on. I have to do some adjustments. But let's turn them on and see what they sound like. God damn.